I decided I want an overstrike guard for my hatchet, so today I'm going to make one out of paracord. I started by cutting a 12-foot section of paracord and then burning the ends so they won't fray. Next, I made a loop in the paracord that was the length that I want the guard to be over the axe handle. When you do this, you want to leave about an inch of paracord above the axe handle. We'll come back to this part in a minute. Next, use your thumb to hold the loop in place while you wrap the paracord around the handle and over top of the loop. Continue wrapping the paracord around the axe, pinching the loop and tightening it as you go. While you're doing this, you want to make sure the loop stays straight down the side of the axe. If you want it to look good, take your time and make sure you do it right. When you reach the end of the loop, you're almost done. Just take the end of the paracord, feed it through the loop, and pull it tight for the last wrap around the handle of the axe. At this point, take a second to make sure everything looks good and that everything's tight. Then cut off and burn the end of the paracord, leaving about an inch. Finally, we're going to come back to that inch of paracord we left at the top. We're going to use a pair of pliers to pull it as far as we can up the axe, which will pull the bottom of the cord underneath the wrappings, holding it tight. Once that's done, cut the extra paracord from the top and burn the end so it won't fray. And here's the finished product. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So happy that I decided to do it to my other axe as well. There are probably better and stronger axe guards out there, but I really like this method because it'll protect the axe well enough, it's easy to put on, and it provides me with 12 feet of paracord, which might be useful in an emergency situation. I have heard of people soaking the entire axe guard in super glue when they're done, which melts the paracord together and maybe protects the handle better, but I prefer having the use of the paracord, plus I want to be able to take off the paracord so that I can inspect the handle if I need to. Let me know what you think about how it turned out, and I'll see you in the next one.